mind-blowing, mate. Like, start of the week, obviously, you think it's a property course, and it's not. Like, obviously, you learn loads of strategies and stuff, but it's like everything that comes with it, the mindset, and that just takes you from here, it's just through the roof, mate. 'Cause it's not even ear to the ear, it's all the way through. And I'd pay 10 times that money just for the first 3 days, really. Well, just for all the mindset. The return on money, like, last week I was looking at houses for like 100 grand, thinking like just bridging, and now I'm looking at a plot of land for 780,000. And I was up to like just late last night, just structuring the deal and stuff there's no way I would have ever known a week ago, even like 4 days ago probably. And now I'm just doing that. So it's just, yeah, you have to do it, you have to. It's just so many more strategies, and you don't think as much on the 3 day. Like you are, like, the mindset, it is quite challenging a bit, but this, it's the whole time just out your comfort zone. To be fair, that's probably that, when you get emotional, it's like the realization of how everything's just settled into you, and you've just got that for life now. So the earlier you can do it in your life, the longer you've got it for.